Hey guys, it's Joanna here and I got my mom here today. For those of you who are in your middle age or if you're above 50 years old and you want to start looking after your fitness and also your health, here's what we're going to do. I'll be guiding my mom through a series of strength training exercises, and these exercises are great to strengthen your bones and also your joints and to prevent any unwanted injuries, okay? So I'll be taking her through each workout, and what you can do is follow through the exercises and aim to do this workout at least 2 to 3 times weekly. So mom, are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do it. For each workout, we want to aim between 12 to 15 repetitions each, okay? So the first exercise is squat to chair. So what you're going to do is stand slightly wider than shoulder width apart with your toes pointed forward, okay? And you can just place your arms in front of you. And if you can, have a chair directly behind you. And so what I want you to do is push your butt back. All right, good. Touch and stand up, okay? So push your butt back even more. Touch and stand up, that's it. So this workout will really work on your hamstrings, your quads, and also your glute muscles, okay? So I'm placing my legs here because my mom's knees should not go over my knees, okay? So really push your butt back, stand up, squat down, touch gently, stand up and back down. All right, good. As you progress, you can remove the chair, okay? So this is a squat position, and always remember to keep your chest up, facing forward. Good. And back straight as well. Give me 5 more. Very good. So down, up, down slow, up fast, slow it down, up, last 2 more, down, up, 1 more, down and up. Very good. So just release. All right, shake it out. Now sit down, okay? For the second exercise, it's going to be a seated overhead press. So what you'll need is a pair of really lightweight dumbbells, either 1 to 3 kilos each, okay? So what I want you to do is have both dumbbells just by your ears, okay, next to your ears, all right? So I want you to press straight up, good, and bring it back down to your ears, and press it straight up, good. So bring it back down, and up, good. So this workout will really work on your shoulders, up and down. Control down, up and down. So control the workout, up straight, bring it back down and up, good. Make sure that your back is straight and push the dumbbells up. Straight up, wider, hold it wider. There you go, that's better. Up, control down, control and up, good. Control and up. Give me 5 more. And again, this workout, you can also do it standing, all right? Good. Last 2 more. Wider, straight back. Last 1 more. Down and up. Very good. And drop the dumbbells. Give it back to me. For the third exercise, we want to work on your triceps, okay? This is called triceps extension. So grab only 1 dumbbell. We're using 2 kilos. So bring it up, okay, over your head. And all I want you to do is make sure that your elbows are pointed forward and slowly lower the dumbbell, back down and up. All right, good. So go down and bring it slow up. Don't jerk. Good. Slow it down and bring it back up. So what you want to aim for is the 90-degree angle, and your elbows should be pointed forward, and it should really work on your tricep muscles right here. Keep going down and up. And remember to breathe in and breathe out. Good. Breathe in and breathe out. Very good. So keep your back straight. Don't go over it. Up, stop. Yeah, there you go. Keep going down, up, and stop there. Good. Keep going. Last few more. Up. Do you feel your triceps?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Keep going. Give me 3 more. Okay, down and up. Lower it down. Elbows pointed forward. Close your elbows. Good. Last 2. And last 1. And try not to jerk. And good. Very good. Right, now we're going to move on to the mat. So grab a mat. The next workout is called bird dog. This will really focus on your core muscles, okay? It's not just your abs, but also your lower back, and just really strengthen the core to give you the balance you need. Right, so what I want you to do is get onto all 4s, okay? On your knees and on your palms, and shift your body weight slightly forward so that your shoulders are in line with your wrists and also your palms, okay? So lift your right hand up and your left leg up. And let's try it. Let's bring it up, And to really balance yourself, you have to really tighten your core and bring it down, and the opposite side. So what you really want to aim for is a flat back and also a strong core, okay? And remember, the goal is not to rush the workout. Do not rush the workout. Instead, really engage your core, suck your belly in, and feel that you're working on your abs and also you're finding your balance. And this will also really strengthen your joints, okay? Your wrists and also your legs as well. Keep going up. And right at the top, squeeze your butt muscles, all right? Keep going, up, good. Squeeze your butt, and keep going. Breathe in and breathe out, good. So breathe out and breathe in. Good, flat back, strong abs, very good. Keep going, give me at least 4 more. Up, squeeze your abs, squeeze your glutes. Feel that your shoulder muscles are working as well. Last 2 more on each side, good. Down. And always maintain a neutral neck, okay? So just gaze gently on the floor. Last 1 more on each side. Good. 1 more, the other side. And just rest it out. Very good. Relax and get into a child's pose. Very good. So this workout will really strengthen and work on your core muscles, okay? Remember, it's not about rushing the workout, but rather it's about getting and mastering proper forms, okay? Right, the next workout is a really good upper body workout, okay? It's going to be a modified push-up, all right? So for those of you who, you have never done push-ups in your life before, this is what we're going to do, okay? So lie flat on the mat, okay? The first thing you need to do is place both palms right beside your chest, okay? So about chest, shoulder levels. And the wider you go, the easier it becomes. So I want you to just place it just, I would say, at the edge of the mat, okay? So what I want you to do is lift your entire body up onto your knees. Keep your knees on the mat as one unit. All right, ready? Ready, Mom?
Yep.
Up, let's go. Up, good. Down again, onto the floor, relax, up. All right, this is how you can start to do a push-up, all right? Eventually, what you want to aim for is to continue the push-up, but without lying straight flat onto the mat, okay? So up, down, good. Bring it up. Push using your chest muscles, all right? You will feel on your arms and also your shoulders to begin with. But eventually, I want you to really focus on engaging your chest muscles to push your body up. Up, good. So relax your feet on the floor, good. Keep going up. Give me 5 more, okay? Down. And remember, your back should be flat, okay? It should be coming up as one unit. Last 2 more, just 2 more. You're doing a very good job. Up, push up, down. Last 1, up, and relax. Just down and relax. Well done, all right? So this is how you can start to do a push-up. Remember, we all need a starting point. Start this way, eventually do a full knee push-up and then slowly progress onto your toes. The next workout is called hip bridge. Again, this workout will really focus on your core and also you will really feel it on your glute muscles as well. So what I want you to do is lie flat onto the mat, face up, and keep your knees bent at about a 90-degree angle, okay? Toes pointed forward, shoulder width apart. Hands just by your sides, all right? So, are you ready, Mom?
Yes.
What you want to do is lift your butt off the floor, up, all right, higher up, and squeeze your glute muscles, lower it back down, touch the mat gently and lift it back up. So up and down, all right, good. So keep going up and down, good. So really squeeze your glutes down again and up, squeeze your glutes, hold it for 2 seconds, bring it back down, controlled, and up, squeeze your glutes, controlled, and back down, good, up, good. Down and keep going, okay? So imagine there's a string pulling your belly button straight up to give you that resistance, all right? So relax your shoulders. Your shoulders should always be in contact with the mat and you should really be moving your butt up and down, squeezing your glutes, engaging your lower abs, engaging your lower back and also your core, all right? Keep going. Keep your knees straight, all right? Keep your knees centered and bring it up and down. Very good. So up and down. So the more you bring your heels closer to your butt, the workout becomes slightly easier, okay? Good. Down. Give me at least 3 more, okay? Up, squeeze, squeeze, and down. It's not going up halfway through. It's about really engaging. Good, very good. Down. And give me a high bridge. Up, high bridge, down. And last one. Pull it and down. And just relax. Well done. All right, relax. Next, abs and also core workout, dead bug. Well, literally you will feel like a dead bug at the end of this exercise, okay? So again, lie flat on the mat, facing up, and what I want you to do is bring both legs up to a 90-degree angle, okay? Hands on your knees, all right? So what I want you to do is bring your left leg down and your right leg up, opposite, good. And bring it back in, and the other opposite side. Open up, down, and back in, good. Good, keep going. So this workout, you will really feel on your lower abs. Keep going, open it up and in, very good. And keep going. We want to aim for at least 10 repetitions on each side, okay? Good. And again, remember, it's all about your breathing as well. Breathe in and breathe out. Opposite side, breathe in and breathe out, good. So eventually, as you get stronger and if you want to challenge yourself, what you can do is lower both legs down together. So what we're starting with is alternate legs and alternate hands. Eventually, you can lower both legs down and both arms down together and bring it back in. Keep going. Can you give me 3 more on each side? Mom, you got this, okay? Come on, let's do it. Let's go. 1, up. Oop, don't rush. We are not cheating right now. Don't rush. Up, down. I know when you get tired, you want to cheat through the workout. Up, and last one more. Down, up, the other side. Down, and up. Well done. Down, high five. Give me a high five. Well done, all right. When you get tired, you want to cheat through the workout, but don't do that, all right? Control your muscles, feel your muscles. I know it's painful, but push through. One final workout, plank. Everybody needs to know how to do a proper plank. So turn over, okay? Face down. We want to get into your final workout, your plank, all right? So just place your shoulders here. Good, get to a plank position, lie flat onto the mat, okay, to begin with. This is going to be a starting position, and the first thing you have to check is that your shoulders, okay, and your elbows are close to your body, okay? So keep your elbows tight and close, and that your palms are just gently rested onto the floor, okay? And your toes should be about shoulder width apart. My mom is really excited because she has been practicing her plank for a long time. So I know that she wants to get straight onto her toes, okay? Mom, are you ready? You're gonna make me proud? Yeah? Right, let's get up into a plank position. Up, good. So we want to hold this position for 30 seconds, okay? So the first thing I have to make sure is that her body is in a straight line, her back is flat, okay? So her butt is not piking too high up and she's not dipping her lower back. So slightly lower down a little bit, good. So the whole idea about planking is that you want to really tighten your core, slightly lower down, good. And really suck your belly in and breathe out, relax, keep your neck neutral, keep your back flat, and you want to maintain this position, okay? I'm gonna just tilt her hips slightly. Typically, some of us will have a little bit of muscle imbalance. All right, good. Keep breathing. Another 5 more seconds. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, relax. Good job. So, just know that if you're shaking, it is absolutely normal. That means that you're recruiting, you're engaging all your muscles, okay? So it's absolutely normal to feel that you're shaking. If you're a beginner and you find that this is challenging, then what you can do is start on your knees first. All right, Mom, well done. Get into a child's pose and just relax. Good job, just relax. I've given her a really good workout. So if you can, I would encourage you to do this workout at least 2 to 3 times weekly, okay? Aim to slowly progress, aim for 12 to 15 repetitions per exercise, and as you progress, you can go for more repetitions, all right? So, strength training is extremely important. It will really help to strengthen your bones, your joints, and also to prevent any unwanted injuries, especially at old age. Good job! Don't forget to look at her sweating. You feel good? Feel good? Yeah. You should be sweating like my mom here, okay? Don't forget to share this video, Get your mom or your friends to get active, do this workout, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more workout videos and also workout challenges. And stay healthy, alright? Even at whatever age. High five! All the best! Bye!